Now, if you think the blacksmiths over there, they'd been trying them out, wouldn't they, against the wall?
Yeah.
And there is a period in time, if you think of the early 1800s, Napoleonic period, there was a great deal of, will he invade this, that and the other? I think that'd
let's
probably
get ready.
The Americans used a different calibre at that period of time as well.
Oh yeah.
Their calibres, about 45 calibre.
Right.
And I don't know whether you know that coming from that part of the world.
I hardly said a word.
Why their calibre was a lot different to ours.
Yeah.
Why
Do you
do you
know-
reckon it was?
I don't know. No.
The English one was 12 balls to the pound. That's
Yes,
where you get
12
the 12 gauge from.
Yeah.
So it's 12 balls to the pound of lead. If you've got 1,000 miles to go into the wilderness,
Yeah.
do you want to take shot that you only get 12 to the pound, or do you want to take 25 or 30
Of course.
Yeah.
to the
Yeah.
pound?
Yeah.
So they designed the gun with a lot smaller bore.
Yeah.
The Jaeger plains rifle, Kentucky long rifle.
Yeah.
In actual fact, its accuracy become better than the English
ones.
Brown Bess. They would pick our officers off at 300 yards with a long rifle.
That's why, you see. That's why you bloody won.
Well, you see, in
that-
the end, they to start with, if you look at them, they tried to go face to face with redcoats. And, you know, redcoats in a line with Brown Bess, you're not going to better. They've got the discipline and everything else. But the long rifles, when they started to take us out,
Pick us off, as it
yeah.
Good.
The
Thank you.
45 calibre that they used, long rifle, Kentucky and Pennsylvania long rifle, was a lot more accurate than our Brown Bess.
Thanks.
Thanks.
There you go.
That was good. My fisting friends will enjoy that. Hearing this ready-faced bloke.